Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm going to do an unboxing. Let's Resin sent me this awesome new UV light advanced. And I'm excited to show it to you. So this is something that everyone has wanted. And to make it a little easier for you, I have already taken it out of the box, and I'm going to show you the pieces that this machine came with. So, we have a top and a bottom, and these look the same, as you can see here. We have the shelf that goes in the middle, and we have a plug. Now this plug is nice and long, you can see that. Now here is the difference. On the other one, in fact, let me get my own machine and let me show that to you. So this is the plug that goes with this one. Now this is my old one. You've seen me use it many a time. This is the plug. This one is a little smaller. So that's one difference. It is smaller. Now I'm going to show you the big difference. Get this together for you. Just going to put that shelf aside for a moment. Now, you'll remember how great this was and how that snaps together. Now, I think it does come in 3 different colors, and you know how I love green. So, Let's Resin sent me a green one. Now, check this out, because this is what everyone was asking for, and Let's Resin likes to give you what you ask for. Plug it in, and I'm going to show you. Let me put this sideways for you. I have them both plugged in now. Now, are you ready for this? You can plug it in on the top, and you can plug it in on the bottom. Now, you see that red light there and that red light there? That gives you coverage on top and bottom. Now, let me press my button on my old machine. Can you see that? It always lit up top and bottom. Right? I'm just going to cover that. I don't want that to bother your eyes. And now here we go. This is the only difference. You will have to press both buttons, but you see the color of that light? This is purple. And you will have to press both buttons, but that's a small thing, because now you're going to get this beautiful purple light. You're going to get both sides, but here's the great part of this. Now, with the old one, if you separated this, only one of them stayed lit. This one did not, right? So this is the old one. Now check this out. I am separating them. Can you see that? You get 2. I'm going to shut the old one off, and I'm going to take this away for now. So you saw that. I'm going to take this away because we don't need to see this anymore. the old machine, and this is the new one. So, you have it together. You have it together. You take your shelf, and you can put it in, just like before. You can use it that way. You have 2 minutes, you have 3 minutes, and you have 5 minutes. Right? And then if you click it again, you shut it off. And you click it again and you shut it off. Now, how wonderful is this? You have something really big that you want to use, and you want to use it on both sides. You can just click that on, separate it, put your piece in here. Oh, I love how I love how when you can charge up. Let me get my skeletons out. You can charge up your you can even charge up your glow-in-the-dark pieces. How about that? Check that out. So, can you see what we're doing here? These are my glow-in-the-dark. I made these skeletons last week. I used my Let's Resin glow-in-the-dark holographic glitter. Oh, you can't see that color, but when I shut this off, you are going to see the color. But this is a great little machine here. It has 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 lights on one side and 18 on the other. That's 36 lights. Let me grab the book to that. While that's charging up a little bit, here's the manual. Okay, so that's off, and look at that, charged up. Let me get rid of this. Let me take that out of the way. How adorable is that? Here's my little skeletons. Can you see them nice and charged? How awesome is that? Look at that sleek design. It really is beautiful, I have to say. So here is the book, and if you need to stop that, just pause it and take a look. You can read that at your leisure. So, I don't want to take up any of your time today, so I'm going to separate the video that I'm going to be doing. My next video, right after this one, will be doing some little ghosts here. I'm going to be using the Let's Resin clear hard type and these little ghosts here. And we're going to make something really adorable, and you're going to love it. Thank you, Let's Resin, for sending me this wonderful machine. I'm going to use it in all of my projects because this is my go-to for UV resin. I'm sure you want to make it your go-to also. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness.